Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you how to rearrange a label. So you want to use label with icon and title. Icon is on the left, and I want to rearrange this in order to make a label which will have icon at the top and below it the text. You can so basically what you can see now is the default label with title and icon. I added some text and image with system name from SF symbols, and this is the default behavior. So what we need to do is make a structure that will conform to label style. I will name it vertical label style. It needs to conform to label style, and inside it we need to make function make body. So override that. This is auto completed, and inside here we will make a code to use vstack with icon at the top and text at the bottom. And to use this on the label, you need to add label style and make vertical label style. Okay. Now it's nothing because this is the empty. And in here we need to use vstack with alignment and spacing. So alignment will be center, and spacing you can use whatever you want. I will try with 6. Inside here, what we want to do is firstly add icon, then title. So this is the title and icon, and inside here we have them in this configuration parameter. So that's configuration icon, and configuration below it configuration title. As you can see now, we successfully did that, because now we can also change the order and, for example, use it like this if you need something like that. And also you can add some various modifiers here. Okay, to make it a little more simple, what we can also do is make extension on label. So on label, and I will just name it make vertical, and this function needs to return some view. And inside here, so self is label, we will add this like in here, label style. I will just copy paste this. Okay, and now we don't need to use this label style and initialize our vertical label style. What we can use is just make vertical, and it will do the same thing. So this is something that you can copy paste and put somewhere in the project, and on every label you can now use this extension function and to get this behavior. I will just return icon to the top because it looks more natural. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more useful content about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next video.